I made that. Hey everyone, I indeed baked that Bundt cake for my good friend Akshay and want to share how I did it. It's quite a simple recipe and just involves mixing some ingredients together, so let's get started. Here I have 225 grams of shelled pistachios that I'll roast in a pan for just a bit. No, I didn't shell these myself, as I bought these unshelled because I don't have all that time in the world. Now we're going to blitz these in a food processor or chop them up with a knife. You want a half powdery, half chunky mixture of pistachios, and then when you do, set it aside. In another bowl, I have 275 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I added in my pistachio mix and give everything a good mix. This will be the dry ingredients that we will add later. To my stand mixer, I'll add in my half melted butter, which was 1.5 sticks or 170 grams, and also 300 grams of sugar. Begin to beat everything together. We'll cream this sugar for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure to scrape down the sides occasionally, and you also don't need to do this with a stand mixer, so don't let this stop you from making the cake. We'll now separate the egg whites from 5 eggs, and you can always save the yolks for something else later. Perhaps some pastry cream? While you're doing this, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue to mix everything until everything is incorporated. Now we can add in 2 teaspoons of pistachio extract and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you don't have pistachio extract, just stick with vanilla, but do know that your cake won't have as strong of a pistachio flavor. Now for the secret ingredient, in my opinion, for moist cake, sour cream or Greek yogurt. I'm not sure the chemistry behind it, but it truly does make for a moist cake. We'll add in 120 grams worth. And then, you know it, just keep on mixing. Now take half of your dry mixture of flour and pistachios and add it to your mixing bowl. Mix everything together until you see no dry flour, then add in the rest and continue on. Once everything is finally incorporated, give everything a final good stir with a spatula to make sure there's nothing on the bottom that may have been missed. Now we want to spray our 10-inch Bundt pan with some cooking spray and dust it with some flour before you pour in your batter. Tap the pan a couple times to get out any air pockets and stick in the oven for 1 hour. When you test your cake after 1 hour with a toothpick, it should come out clean, and that's how you know your cake is done. Let it cool for 10 minutes before inverting it over a wire rack, and it will hopefully come out easily. Mine did, which was great, and looked very nice as well. Let it fully cool before topping it with some powdered sugar. And that's a great Bundt cake to serve as a birthday cake for my good friend. Get this a try, as the majority of this video was just mixing, so I don't think it's too difficult. And let me know what you think. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at Weekend Cooks. Thanks for the support everyone.